Describe a skill that you learned in your childhood.
Woohoo! It's time to learn follow-up questions.
Where do children learn skills in your country?
In my country, people primarily acquire skills from two main sources. Firstly, schools play a pivotal role in imparting knowledge and skills, ranging from basic to advanced levels, with the guidance of qualified experts. Secondly, the home environment also serves as a significant learning platform, where parents instill essential life skills in their children. These skills include appropriate behavior, effective communication, respect for others, and many more.
What are the differences between learning skills on your own and from others?
There is a significant distinction between acquiring skills independently and learning them from others. When individuals learn on their own, they can do so from the comfort of their homes, which offers flexibility. However, this approach often comes with uncertainties and can sometimes result in confusion. Conversely, learning from others plays a pivotal role in everyone's life. It provides structured guidance, allowing individuals to grasp concepts in a systematic manner. Furthermore, having someone to point out mistakes enables learners to make necessary corrections, facilitating more effective and efficient learning.
What important skills should a child learn?
There are several skills that are crucial for a child's development. Firstly, communication skills, both verbal and nonverbal, play a vital role in enabling individuals to express themselves effectively in various situations. Additionally, essential skills such as personal development, goal setting, discipline, and empathy are equally important. These skills not only contribute to personal growth, but also pave the way for achieving success at a younger age.
What skills do you think teenagers should have?
In today's competitive landscape, it is imperative for teenagers to cultivate a diverse set of skills to navigate a range of challenges. These skills include time management, financial literacy, sound decision-making abilities, and effective communication. Moreover, it is crucial for them to be well-versed in technology, as it has become an integral component in virtually every field.
Who should teach teenagers skills?
I believe that both teachers and parents play crucial roles in imparting essential skills to teenagers, given their unique positions in their lives. Teachers, with their extensive knowledge and diverse teaching methods, hold significant influence over students. Consequently, teenagers tend to emulate and adapt to the practices introduced by their teachers. Conversely, parents have ample opportunities to instill practical skills in teenagers due to the extensive time spent together and the various situations encountered. During these interactions, parents can impart skills such as time management, discipline, respect, and politeness, among others. In summary, while teachers excel in sharing academic and theoretical knowledge, parents play a vital role in teaching practical life skills to teenagers.
What are the differences between children learning skills and adults learning skills?
There are distinct differences between children's learning abilities and those of adults. When it comes to children's learning, they start from the basics and progress to more advanced concepts, requiring a higher level of focus. In contrast, adults often have a foundational understanding of subjects, making it easier for them to grasp new concepts with proper guidance and practical application.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.